I had big optimistic plans for this day. I know you have days like that where you get up in the morning and you're just going to conquer the world. Well, I was going to get started in these big ash, but the kids got some stuff in the way, so that's got to be moved. I have a day job that I have to do from time to time. This window is busted up and we've rebuilt it and got that done. Looks pretty nice. So now, see if we can at least make our way and get to that log and maybe get it on the mill. And I don't know how far we'll get, but we'll see if we can get something done. Well, that wasn't so bad, but I really don't think that this is going to be able to lift that log. We're fixing to find out. If it will surprise me. Oh yeah, not a problem. Some of you might remember JC had this big ash tree cut down. Actually, before the emerald ash borers, it's really started hitting around here, so it's been on the yard quite some time. We're looking at 19 inches on this end and 19 inches on this end. 104.5 inches, 8 foot 4.5 inches. 2 buys out of this. I don't know what I'm going to do. Man, that blade was sharp when I started on this log, and just those 2 runs through this heavy bark, and I know it's already dulled up. And I want you to look at that now. That is gorgeous. That's the prettiest ash, without question. The most beautiful ash that I've ever cut. I guess you call that a poor man's debarker. I hate it. I really thought I'd be able to finish this log, but I'm out of battery. I'll finish it next time. But I learned something today that you could take home if you're running a manual mill. If your saw head is shaking, probably, at least this was the case in my instance. The last log I cut was an ash, saw head was shaking, bothered me immensely. The problem appeared to have been the log was moving, which caused the saw head to move. So when I moved this dog down here, and I got 2 on it, although it's just an 8-foot log, but I got 2 on it, and the log's not moving, the saw head didn't shake. So if you're running a manual mill, I don't know, I ain't no expert on this, but that was my experience. And as you can see, I'm cutting 19-inch ash, and ash, it ain't no softwood, okay? 19 inches, and the saw head was smooth as silk. Might be something to think about next time you're cranking up. Boy, ain't that pretty.